welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda, loving saying things to you because you were meant for me. Boy, that was a warble. That was not going to be an earworm whatsoever. Happy Christmas. Merry Hanukkah. Happy holidays to you on this fine Christmas Eve. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today I'm going to do a little get ready with me with the Aurora Struck palette from Colourpop. And I know these videos don't do particularly well, but I enjoy doing them, so I keep doing them. So I love doing an eye look, and this palette is absolutely stunning. And it's pinks and purples and greens and some beautiful shimmery colors. And it's just gorgeous. A nice little neutral pop there. Usually it's a pop of color, but this is a pop of neutral, which is pretty cool. And this has, it's very heavy. It's super heavy. But I'm very excited about this. And I'm going to start putting my look together now. 'Tis season. Boughs of holly. Let's see. I'm going to go in here with this neutral color and put it in my crease. It's a really beautiful neutral color. It's not blending out very easily though. I'm going in pretty light with it because I don't want it to be too dark. It is lovely. And that is a great base. Base of face and face of base. We love it when we put the makeup on your face. Boom, 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 boom. I'm getting ready to have some Christmas with some friends, which is nice. They are coming here, and it will be lovely. And I have purple hair and a green hoodie, and this palette works for both. So I'm going to go in to this mat here called No Sleep, which is normally how I function, is on no sleep. I just don't sleep well. I'm just putting that in the crease as well and bringing it down into the lid. Did you know? Sleep is really important. It makes people sane. And some people will think I'm sane. People think I'm crazy. But I'm really just a mixture of the two. I'm kind of a free spirit. I love my friends. I love my life. I love the people in it. I love my YouTube channel. I just really enjoy the world that I'm in currently. And that would be the same reality that you're in with me. Ooh, otherworldly, spooky. I'm going to go into In Orbit to shimmer. Look at that. It's really beautiful. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. Bring that down to the lid. Do a little bit in the crease with it. It's a little bit wider of a brush than I usually use for something like this, but it's mixing with the lavender and making something very pretty. It's so beautiful. And this is going on like a dream. This is looking crazy. I've got it blended out so far up. But it's a very festive holiday look. It's lovely. I'm going to go in with my finger and go into this. It's called So Lit. It's kind of a shimmery green and purple vibe. It's gorgeous. It's showing some blue in the reflex. Very pretty. I love this palette. This palette is so stunning. I had to get it. And if you used Afterpay, you got 25% off of the palette, which I love a bargain. And I didn't break it up into payments. I just paid it all at once. So pretty. I'm going to do something I normally don't do, which is get with a brush and go into this Head North color, this white shimmer, and put that above my brow bone, right there at my brow bone. I'm going to blend this all out and see if I can't save it. It's a little crazy. I'm softening up that brow highlight, which looks much better. I just wanted a little bit of contrast up there. Let's do some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And oh, that made my ears ring. Ooh, I don't know my own power. That makes for a beautiful look, and it's definitely very festive. And I'm going to use my favorite nude, which is Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink and Seductress, because there's so much going on my face. And we have a beautiful look. Thank you for being with me here today. I hope you're going to have a great rest of your holiday weekend, and we'll see you real soon.